Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, one of the shot of the new hotels, some image ad. Well, that was a fun shooting and I shot different costumes and settings. And this is one of them. Well, I have this interesting image, and also I made pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges, but it's pretty thin image. Anyways, I'm gonna make something interesting, something impressive image from these two images. Well, let's get started. Okay, as always, I'm gonna look at let me see, change blend mode, how it's gonna look like. Well, color burn, linear burn, pretty interesting. Overlay, washed out her skin tones. Look at this pastel color, luminosity. Well, let's use this. Okay, I'm gonna select make group. Then duplicate this group, flatten this image, then I'm going to duplicate again, then one of the top, change blend mode to linear burn. Yeah, it really looks like it. So I'm gonna make it multiply, then merge down. Well, this is interesting color. Okay, now let me see. I'm gonna move these two layers here out of group. Delete this group folder. Now I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image. Move to top. Then change back to this blend mode to normal. Now just turn it off to keep it now. Then let me see, let me change these names. Okay, changed all the names, and let me see, this luminosity effect layer, change blend mode to color gets more dark. Overlay. I kind of like it, this interesting pin light. Look at this grains and lines. That's interests me. Yeah, I want to use this color with these lines and grains. That's really, this one is luminosity effect layer with original. Makes this image. Maybe I can use as a base or something. Well, let me make group, then duplicate this group. Now flatten this image. Now I got fixed this one, and I'm gonna rename. Well, pin light effect on luminosity effect layer. Okay, I'm gonna move these two layers again. Get out of this group. Now delete this group. Okay, now this luminosity effect layer, I don't need this, so I'm gonna delete this. Now this pin light effect. Okay, this image is gonna be the base, so I'm gonna make mask. Now I'm gonna hide this with brush. This is maybe interesting. Let me see. Medium nozzle of spray paints. Okay, I'm gonna add layer to draw these eye lines. Inking. Oh, some kind of interesting. Okay, let me try. Baskerville. Kind of interesting. Maybe soft like. Well, just leave it this way. That's kind of fun. Now I want to use Bonobo chalk. This is chalk texture, so let's see. Sketching Bonobo chalk to mask this image. Now I want to add some colors, so in between this line image, I'm going to add another layer. Then now change blend mode to, I don't know what's going to happen. So change to color. Then paint on here. How it's going to show up. Brush is airbrushing, medium blend. Okay, I'm going to add another layer, then over this, let's find some interesting cloud type, organic. I've been touch up and I'm going to clean up some little by little about this. I'm using a smudge tool, little pine, to take these black dot. Not much. Okay, well, what else I can do? Now I'm thinking about outlines surrounding. Well, okay, now I have pencil drawing type image. Let me see. No, I don't think I'm not going to use this pencil drawing type image. Color burn gets darker, but nope, not this time. And this is color layer. I add some background, soft color. Then this is another color layer. I paint it on. Overall, this is blend mode is color too. Blend mode color shows more colorize, like mostly makeup. pink on cheeks, eyebrows, eyeshadows. Yeah. Then I use the mask to show this luminosity effect layer as a base image. I made mask to get the original image. This much. Well, now I'm gonna make some frame or something on surrounding. This is real saddle, cyan blue type color. So, well, let's see. I'm gonna resize canvas to make it a little bit more white border. Now we got all surrounding, and well, I'm gonna use the same brush of this Baskerville. This is real interesting. And on top, add layer, then, well, pastel. Let's see. Well, what do you think? That's it for today, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work and sort of pop art. I kind of like this kind of illustration type image. Well, thank you again. Thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. I really hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and well, you guys have a nice day and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.